Hey, Profi. Du bist eine Profi, David.
I know. Ich weiß. So gut bin ich halt.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Danelle. I am a Jamaican and I live in Switzerland, and on this channel I share my experiences. Whatever those experiences are, that's what I share. So for the past few weeks I've been working and living on a Swiss farm, and of course I've been sharing those experiences here on YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in lifestyle content from a Jamaican who lives in the diaspora. Auf diesem Seite ist dicker als.
Ja, weil hier geht Abwasser von Milchmaschine, geht Wasser vorne hinein.
So I have bad news. It's bad news for me because I am just really saddened by it, and I think it's also bad news for you guys because you wanted to see more of the Swiss farm life experiences. But anyways, I had to stop my job. I had to stop working on the farm because I have a shoulder issue. So I did post this on my community tab, but as you know, not many people know about the community tab and not many people engage with it. So if you don't know about the community tab, go on my channel. Up where you can find the video, like video about, there is a community tab button. You can press that and you can follow me there because I post relatively frequently on there. Anyways, yeah, so I will need physiotherapy for this hand from here down to the finger because it's also, it gets cold. Like I feel like it's cold, but it's the nerve, and yeah, so we need to sort this out. So because of that, I had to stop my work on the farm, which I was so gutted because I was really enjoying it. I was enjoying being outdoors with the animals. And I mean, whether it was raining or sunny or snowing, I had this peace. I felt so connected with nature and connected with myself, you know, and I enjoyed sharing that for you guys. But unfortunately I had to stop it, you know, and yeah, it took me like a week to kind of get over that sad feeling. And yeah, I'm sharing it with you now. So I wanted to share more. I wanted to share so much more with you guys from the farm. But one, the job was so demanding, like it was a lot, and I was up from 5 o'clock in the morning, not working constantly, but you know, my work day would end at 6:30 in the evening. And so I was so tired. Like when I had breaks, I would sleep or do some other business or something. So I didn't have the time to capture as much as I wanted to, nor did I have the energy to edit things that I've captured. So there are things that I captured that did not make it into a video or so on. So I'm gonna show you those right now.
At longest tongue ever see, look.
Look who is working.
But this must be the longest tongue ever see.
How long do you work? No, that's trash.
But you can still use it, you said.
David, so let me ask you, how are you liking the farm work?
It's very okay, but it's very stinky.
It's very stinky?
Yeah, a bit stinky.
So David has spent the entire week here with me because he's on holiday, and I felt it's a good idea to bring him on the farm to do some work and have the experience. At first he didn't like it. This is not your first time working on a farm anyway.
No, but
you used to go to Luca when you were younger.
Yeah.
His schoolmate's father has a farm, or the family has a farm, and he used to go and help. And now he likes it. Go over to the Hey, Profi. Du bist eine Profi, David.
I know. Ich weiß. So gut bin ich halt.
cream.
Gib ich allgemein die letzte Jahr zurück. Gut, da hat sich Haufen vom Spiel. Jetzt die nicht, das ist ein Kalif. Ja. Also gut, ich habe noch mehr geschrieben. Mögen nicht. Jetzt mache ich noch viel Kalorien.
We're having a busy day today. Look who is here. There's a new calb. Oh Lord. Hey. Hey. I don't know what's going on with this horse, but she's really, or he, it's a man. Hey. Hello? What's happening? I don't know what's happening. She's sleeping. Is he sleeping? I think so. Okay, sorry. I think it's sleeping. So those are some clips from the farm, and I really miss the animals. I really miss Tyrion that you guys helped me to name. Alright, so let's get into the other half of the video.